We can also calculate the initial angular displacement vector by using this relation. So this d theta upon dt is equal to L upon mr square. If I want to calculate this theta, I can take this integration of this L upon m r square from t is equal to 0 to at some time t, and I can write this as a L plus mr square from 0 to t plus some constant theta 0. And by using this relation, I can also calculate the angular displacement in a central force field. Thus, we can see that from the Lagrangian equation of the motion, we can calculate the angular momentum, angular displacement, and the initial position vector. We can also calculate the total energy in a central force field is conserved.